We have our territory controlled by Ethiopian forces. This naked act of aggression should be dealt with legally and peacefully. In our opinion, there is no need for any confrontation or build-up, and I don't think that will bring about any solution. It might complicate the situation for some time, but then again, it's not going to bring about a lasting solution. I can tell you, if there is any need for mobilization, and this is not an exaggeration, this is not politicking, the population of this country would be willing to defend the sovereignty of this nation with any possible means. And I don't see why at the moment we talk about numbers. We need to believe in the efforts and goodwill of the international community. Definitely that will be supportive. It will depend on our goodwill and our efforts to find a solution to the problem. We on our part are saying we are willing. We would like to see a peaceful solution and not pray that peace will come, but we would like to be actively involved in any process. We would like to see the international community also contribute towards that end. There is no point in talking about pullback, but I think we would be concerned if we've done anything wrong. We've not done anything wrong. We have not violated the sovereignty of Ethiopia. We have not done anything illegal. We believe we've been very patient and tolerant. We've been very constructive. Even during these times of crisis, we consistently believe we are doing our best to avoid any confrontation. Being pessimistic in the short run, yes. If you ask me, do I see a solution early tomorrow morning? I don't see that happen. Do I see beyond that? Yes, I'm quite optimistic. It's a matter of time to me. Given the mood, I don't think anyone will tell you that the situation in Ethiopia helps one be optimistic.
Nairobi, I've been in the region for 1 year. Before that, I was in the Balkans for 5 years.